Today is a day of mourning for me. Absolutely a day of mourning. In fact, if you're watching this clip, this video, it's because I messed up. I really messed up. That's right, today is our last day together because tomorrow the M4 CS will be gone. This is the second time I'm recording this video because I realized the microphone wasn't working. I always have problems with these damn little microphones for YouTube. That's why I prefer the one attached on top. As we discussed, M4 is leaving tomorrow. I posted the ad on Autoscout last week. And just like the previous M4, the black one, I don't know if you remember it, it literally flew away. In life, cars go, in life, cars come, and in life, you have to dare if you can. You have to do a few stupid things, right? Besides this, I do another one you'll probably see in this video. Why did I sell this car? Honestly, I don't know. I'm crazy about this model, as you know. I'm in love with the lines of this car. I'm less in love with the place where it is since this is the garage. I don't know. I know I can buy it again. That's for sure. In a year and a half, we've done 12,000 kilometers, including a trip to the Nürburgring. I race at the Nürburgring. As you saw, Austria, Slovenia, Greece, Albania, Macedonia, Bosnia, Kosovo. Then where did we go? Croatia, Serbia. I'm sorry I sold it, but on the other hand, I'm also happy. Happy, why? Because after 7 or 8 years, finally next year I won't have to pay the road tax or the super tax. It's great not to just give money away to the state, really. And because next year it will actually be removed. If they remove the super tax next year, I'll get pissed off. I'll really get pissed off. Maybe someone thinks I'm selling it because Alice has arrived and so now I need a family car, all that. Actually, for Alice, there's the Volvo. I screwed up by selling it and I'll screw up again by buying another one. I still don't know how, when or why, but if you're watching this video, you probably already know what I bought. Those who watched the previous videos can probably guess. It's going to be an experience that will last about a year, and let's see what we get up to. Tomorrow the new owner is coming to pick it up, who luckily is someone I know, and so he's here in the same town. So if I want, I'll see her. See you tomorrow when I let her go. It's the next day. Transfer done, bank transfer done, ownership transfer, cost with the agency, 1,775 euros. Guys, only in Italy. Anyway, he's leaving. It's a shame, of course, but we leave one path and find another. So stay tuned, now we'll see what to do. It's still not very clear, but that's okay. M4 was nice. He's leaving, guys. He's leaving. I'm sad. Come on, but it's close by. Maybe I'll buy it again. Goodbye. How nice. Wow, it was a pleasure. Goodbye, see you. Hopefully just for now. It's 3:20 in the morning. It's been about 10 days since I sold the M4. I'm currently waiting for the driver to go see a new car. The car we're going to see is in Ostuni, in Puglia. I've never visited Puglia, so it's a great chance. We have a flight at 5:45 in the morning from Venice, with the final destination being Brindisi. We're really sleepy here. I won't reveal the companion yet. You can hear him now, but I'll show him later in the video. Otherwise, you'll realize it immediately. The surprise, though minor, vanishes instantly. Let's hope the car is in good condition, that it's as described, and that way we can wrap things up today and then have it delivered home by car transporter. I'll show it to you. I can't think straight at this hour. It's for sleeping, not looking at cars. We'll see each other as soon as the secret escort arrives. So secret, huh? Oh well. Good morning. You are the mysterious escort. For now, no, his voice will be like Mickey Mouse's. Wake up call at 2:30.
It's the 8:30 good night that works.
How do you fall asleep at 8:30?
I'll explain it to you. I'll explain it to you in 2 years.
God damn it. Alright, he's here. Now let's go to Venice Airport.
Poop mission.
There you go. The escort has already been spoiled, but that's fine. We've arrived at the airport.
How was the flight to Venice with the Audi 80?
Wonderful, wonderful. It can only go well.
Let's go look for a bathroom.
Yeah, because at this hour, you know how it is. The urge is strong.
Why do you need to poop 4 times in the morning?
Incredible. It works well. It works well. Arrived in Brindisi. The cold is just like in Venice. Nothing changes. Now let's see if the sun comes out a bit, but they said it would rain.
Let's go poop.
Yeah, that... Anyway, it happened on the plane. Let's see if our driver has arrived or not. You go to Puglia for the first time, and what do you find? We find the worst train. Come on, now it's crazy. Yes, yes, yes.
A little higher.
Yes, we're ready to see what car it will be. I don't know if I should show it to you right away, like this. Let's show the license plate for now. It's old.
When I see them, it's always the same. It's a shame to cut them, but someone will have to do it.
Well, it's always a shame to cut them, but afterwards, he's inspecting everything, just to understand. This is the car. Now he's running some diagnostics, some checks, a bit of everything. Let's say the car isn't perfect. Obviously there are some things to fix, maybe a bit more work than expected. And now we're checking if everything is okay, even with the electronics. Anyway, come on, it's in rough shape, just the way we like it, let's say. After a thorough inspection, after checking everything, after talking for a moment, we've reached an agreement. The Porsche is coming home with me. We're flying back, but it'll be delivered on a car transporter. Now let's go do the transfer and see if everything is okay. I don't know how we went from a Porsche to a food truck, but in Puglia, things like this happen too. In the meantime, Daniele will talk to us a bit about the general condition of the car.
The car is generally a 1991 model, so it's like the old ones. With all its flaws though, it's a good car, a good base. With a couple of small jobs to do, let's say a bit more than usual, let's say maintenance. But considering all the work we're going to do, restoration, paint, interior, exterior, then we'll see what to do. Since we need to return the car, I'd call it a starting point.
A good one?
Super doc for us.
And if we consider the purchase price, which we won't discuss now...
We got it for 97,000 euros.
No, it's 107,000 euros.
107,000 euros, transfer included.
Yes, and transport from Puglia to Veneto.
Exactly. No, let's say that yours is special. Can we say that? It has 2 driven wheels in the back and that's it.
Yes, a Carrera 2, it's already rarer and more desirable.
And yours is the restyling. I mean, we had 2 964s from 90, which were, let's say, the first model. Yours already has a few differences. The mirrors, it even has an airbag. We'll take it out anyway. Wow, it's something we'll remove anyway, so it's not a problem. The clutch is a bit different and things like that, but nothing major. We still have plenty of time.
We'll save the worst defects for when the car gets to the workshop.
Then I can do even more damage.
We cause damage, inspect it, curse, and I pay.
And then you write to each other, text each other, yeah.
Do whatever you want.
Travel expenses and food, I mean, they don't pay for themselves.
No, actually. Anyway, if you haven't figured it out, the new series about this Porsche officially starts today. I'm not telling you what, you can imagine it yourselves or write it in the comments. Sorry.
Imagine
What?
it will be the next series.
Whether you like it or not, whether you criticize it or not, it's not my concern. It doesn't matter. If you like it, you watch it. If you don't, you don't. If you are a company, if you want to collaborate on the project, if you want to participate in the event that will take place in September 2026,
In theory.
if you want to contribute in any way, either write to me privately on Instagram Mirko Paduin or write to me at this email here.
Or go to a pizzeria, eat pizza, and go talk. I have this thing to do.
Exactly.
And I would propose a toast.
Via Brindisi. In Brindisi, or rather Ostuni, but it's still Brindisi. Via Brindisi. That's different. Guys, see you in the next video when the car arrives in Veneto. Bye. Brindisi?
Via Brindisi. Damn.